Alright, assuming that you are in your dashboard right now, and let's add a page. So click on the page all, and then let's add a page. Add new. Now let's name this page recent call, and then in your right, go to your right side and the sidebar, and I would like to choose the no sidebar. And for the layout of the content, I would choose the full width content. And now you see the edit with Elementor on the top. Click on that. And once you're here in the Elementor page, you have to click on the plus button, the orange one, and then I would choose the structure, the whole page, and click the plus button to go to the element. And I would like to drag a element, the heading, from your left to the right. So you just drag it here and then drop it. So this page builder is also called drag and drop. You don't have to be a designer or a technical person to do this. You just do a drag and drop. So this one is recent call today. And then I would like to put this one in the right side, in the center. So go to the left, and then here in the alignment side, yes, you have left, center, and right. So this time I would click on the center button, and this time I would like to add a plus button again, and I would like to put a structure. This time of the structure I need to put two of the structure, so both sides had element. Click on the plus button to bring you to the element, and this time I would like to put video on here. So from the left side is your element. Drag this video icon and then drop it to that specific side, and then I would like to take out the default link, and then I would go to YouTube. Okay, let's go to open another tab, go to YouTube and find your video. And this time I would use my video. So here I would choose this video here. And then once you're already in the video that you want to put, click on the share and then copy this link. Once you copy it, go back to the page builder, and in the left side just insert the link. There you go, paste in there. And now I want to click on the right side plus sign, and it give me an option here in the left side to drag what element do I need to put in there. So this time I would like to just put a form, and then drag this form to the right, and then there, drop it. Once you drop it, you can edit the name, like in the left side. If you go back here, the submit button, you can put it bigger or small, medium. Let's check on whose email gonna go to. So this email, if there is somebody would sign up in here, it would send it to this email here. So again, go back to the page, and then once you are done, you just hit on the publish button. So here's the publish button here, in the left side, lower left. So the green button, publish. Once you're done, take a look on your page. There you go. That looks nice and very simple. And let's take a look on a mobile device. So this is the look of your mobile device. You now learn how to publish your page using the Elementor page builder. For signing up today, we will take care of the web hosting. We will also install a free website builder, and also we would take care of what you need, and including the maintenance of your website. So click the link below for more information. Thank you.